In today's modern world, electricity is a necessity. We rely on it for almost everything, from powering our homes to running our businesses. However, there are times when we experience power outages, and this can be frustrating and inconvenient. This is where an inverter comes in handy. An inverter is an electronic device that converts direct current, DC, to alternating current, AC, which is the type of electricity that is used in homes and businesses. In this article, we will describe in detail what an inverter is, how it works, and its different types. What is an inverter? An inverter is an electronic device that is designed to convert DC to AC. The DC source can come from a battery or a solar panel, while the AC output can be used to power household appliances or other devices. The inverter is an essential component of many electrical systems, including solar power systems, uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, and emergency backup systems. How does an inverter work? An inverter works by converting DC to AC. It does this by using electronic circuits that switch the DC source on and off at a high frequency. This produces a waveform that is similar to the waveform of AC power. The output of the inverter is then filtered to remove any unwanted harmonics or noise. There are two types of inverters: square wave inverters and sine wave inverters. Square wave inverters produce an output waveform that is similar to a square wave, while sine wave inverters produce an output waveform that is similar to a sine wave. Sine wave inverters are more expensive than square wave inverters, but they are also more efficient and produce a cleaner output waveform. Types of inverters. There are different types of inverters, and they vary in terms of their capacity, efficiency, and waveform. 1. Standalone inverter. A standalone inverter is a type of inverter that is not connected to the grid. It is usually used in off-grid solar power systems, where it is used to convert DC power from solar panels to AC power that can be used to power household appliances or other devices. 1. Grid tie inverter. A grid tie inverter is a type of inverter that is connected to the grid. It is usually used in grid-tied solar power systems, where it is used to convert DC power from solar panels to AC power that is fed into the grid. Grid tie inverters are also used in wind power systems and hydro power systems. 1. Hybrid inverter. A hybrid inverter is a type of inverter that combines the features of both standalone and grid tie inverters. It can be used in both off-grid and grid-tied solar power systems. A hybrid inverter can switch between standalone mode and grid tie mode depending on the availability of power. 1. Micro-inverter. A micro-inverter is a small inverter that is installed on each solar panel. It converts DC power from each solar panel to AC power that is fed into the grid. Microinverters are more efficient than string inverters, which are connected to multiple solar panels. Inverter capacity. The capacity of an inverter is measured in watts. The capacity of an inverter should be chosen based on the maximum power requirement of the load that is being powered. For example, if the load requires 1000 watts of power, then an inverter with a capacity of at least 1000 watts should be used. Inverter efficiency. The efficiency of an inverter is the ratio of the output power to the input power. The efficiency of an inverter depends on its design, and it can range from 70% to 95%. A higher efficiency inverter is more expensive,